Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anina from CMA International Limited. Today I will share a real project customer Silicone keypads for multimeters. When we first reviewed the customer original design, we noticed a potential issue. The conductive posts were too thin and too tall. After installation, the buttons would jam and fail to spring back properly. After analyzing the root cause, our engineers made a small but critical modification, adding 4 miniature auxiliary support ports around each conductive port. This optimization doesn't change the button's appearance or affect the customer original circuit board design, but it perfectly solves the displacement problem and makes the buttons rebound much smoother. If you are developing silicone buttons or keypads, feel free to contact us for samples or technical discussion. Thank you for watching. See you next time.